Kristina Karamo's opponents asked the judge Michigan GOP to intervene in the leadership war. Lansing, a group of Michigan Republicans filed a lawsuit against Kristina Karamo on Friday and asked a judge in Kent District to formally declare that the state was abolished as the GOP president. The lawsuit, filed by lawyers with law firm Warner Norcross and Judd Lawyers, Mrs. Karamo's committee and Michigan Republican Party, especially at election cycle rapidly approaching to allow to move forward, requires rapid intervention, he said. Lawyers Jonathan Louderbach, Troy Cummings and Catherine Boothroyd claimed that Karamo had violated statutes of the party and violated contract. The plaintiffs in case, Karamo's co-chairman, Melinda Pego, the party's vice president Ali Hossein and party's coalition vice president Hassan River was. The filing at Kent District Circuit Court came 9 months before November presidential elections, and last development of a long war for control of Michigan Republican Party. Waiting. More Michigan GOP's terrible financing reports. The National Republican Group gave alarm in February 2023. Delegates chose Karamo, a former state candidate, after advancing the allegations of in 2020 presidential elections. Political importance was increased, however, as president. Term office was removed in August with struggles of gathering donations in bank accounts, which leaving GOP with paying $35,000 and painful interpretations. Karamo's GOP state committee critics gathered petition signatures and sent a call for a special to think about abolition possible on the 2nd of December. Karamo set up a special meeting of January 13. And Karamo did not recognize the aims determined by his rivals. This prevented allowance of the members who presented a written request to be allowed to hold meeting they really demanded, said. Karamo's competitors held special meetings on January 6 with the voting of 40 state committee members to remove them as a party chair. Later, on January 13, Karamo held his own meeting with 59 committees to protect him. Generally, the committee has about 107 members. This is a happy Memorial Day because Michigan Republican Party represents a renovated merger. Karamo represents the vote during weekend, said. However, his competitors said that Karamo's meeting was illegal and inappropriate in his new cases. They asked a judge to declare that Karamo's president of the acting was invalid by Pego and Karamo, that he had taken all actions taken correctly. On Saturday, when the anti-Karamo Hizip meets to vote for a new party seat, at least 3 candidates, according to Friday by Detroit News. Former U.S. Representative of the Netherlands Piet Hoekstra, businesswoman and former Congress candidate Lena Epstein and Oakland County Republican Party Chairman Vance Patrick compete for the regional party seat. On Friday, Patrick sent Michigan an email to Republican activists. The vision of executing Party Michigan